All right, you're having a hard time because Apple company told Trust Wallet not to have a DApp ability in their wallets, so you cannot access Forsage or Super One and all of your other wonderful DApps. Don't fear, don't cry. I found something for each and every one of you. Hi, this is Faith Sloan, affectionately known as Queen Wiki. I'm going to show you how to download Pocket. It is good for it's good for your Android. It's good for iOS, you Apple people, and it's good for laptops, the desktop. So I'm going to step you through how to do it. I want you to do a search, and I'm on an Android. So I want you to do a search for TokenPocket, and it has a blue icon. It's by TokenPocket Foundation. So don't get fooled by the other ones, okay? Then I'm going to click on install. And so while it's waiting for my download, and it's only 28 megabytes, we're almost there. You guys are going to like what I'm getting ready to show you. It is really, really, really easy how you can migrate your Trust Wallet credentials to TokenPocket. So what I'm doing, I'm installing it now. I click on the green open button. I click on that. It takes me to TokenPocket. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is you have two choices. I have an account or no accounts. You're going to click on I have an account. Pay attention. I have an account because you've got an account. So you're going to click on that because you want to import your wallet. Okay, so what we're going to do here, I'm going to click on Ethereum. Then they're going to say you want to import it with your private key. You want to import it in watch mode, cold wallet, mnemonic importer, key store. If you have a Trust Wallet, you have a 12 words mnemonic phrase. So you're going to click on the mnemonic import. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my mnemonic words. Here, paste. Okay. Now, after you put in your mnemonic words, your 12 mnemonic words from your Trust Wallet, your Ethereum wallet, you can name your wallet if you like. And I'm going to keep it the same. And you got to have a password. So I'm going to put a password in. Repeat that password. And then I'm going to import. Bam! Done. Done. $124 in the wallet that I just imported. Now you can use DApps. So how are you going to access your Forsage DApp? What I'm going to do here, you see on the left-hand side, let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right here. You see that? So what you're going to do is you want to click DApp. You'll be directed to a third party, DApp, blah, blah, blah. I got it. And wait. I'm going to, up at the top, I'm going to put in Forsage. Actually, as a matter of fact, lk.forsage.io. lk.forsage.io. Gonna go there. So they have an internal browser. See? Now you see it. We're there. All I'm going to do is click on the green authorization button. And it should log me. Authorization, you say confirm. Verify my password that I set up for this wallet that we just set up. Verify the password. I say confirm. Give it a little time. Bam! I'm in my back office in Forsage. You can do this to any DApp, guys. Now you have a wallet. This is wonderful. TokenPocket it is. Bye-bye.